awkward. Hi. How are ya?
Hi, YouTube fan. Here with my friend
We're
Justin,
friends.
romantic lover.
Thank you, thank you.
We're getting ready for Scarlet Night. By the end of this, our faces are going to be beat for the gods. We're going to learn all of Justin's dirty secrets, the tea, GRWM. Get ready with me. It's giving Order of the Phoenix.
Smoking out the window. This lighting makes me look crazy.
Wait, do you want a different tone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next one. Okay.
Tell us what your favorite part of the Untitled Dance Party show is.
Myself.
This is for the vlog.
I'm kidding. I would say when the show starts and we're all running crazy to the stage all together and we just sense the vibe of the audience. It just tells us like how cray-cray they're gonna be or not. And if they're drunk, I just need always like just one drunk couple or friend group. Like I just always need one of them because they're like the ones that like dance the whole time. They don't know what the fuck's happening at all, which whole point of the show, but they actually don't know what the fuck's happening. So when anything happens, I look for them to see their reactions because it's just so fun.
And then I just got like a hair kit, a natural hair kit, and I have literally never used half of the things.
Okay, I'm getting ready to go to Untitled. I would recommend wearing comfy shoes because you will be standing the whole time. Fit check. I have this new thing with my hair. Yes? No? I love the pre-show music for this show. I always try to get there early so I can dance around. Oop, it's starting. My favorite part about this show is the diversity in the cast. It is so refreshing to look up on stage and see the real world reflected back to you. That's something that I rarely see on cruise ship stages, and I think it's something that a lot of other cruise lines could learn from Virgin. I like to tell people to think of Untitled Dance Party show thing as walking through an art museum, and each number is like its own thing and you just kind of appreciate it for what it is. One time a sailor was like, I'm so confused, I didn't understand the storyline. If you go in with an open mind, don't try to label anything, don't try to think too hard about the meaning of life while you're in this show. Just enjoy it, enjoy the acting, enjoy the dancing. And the coolest thing about this show is that so much of it is improv and it changes so much. So I think I've experienced 4 different casts now, and each time has been completely different. I think it is so fun. I think you're gonna have a great time, and I think you're really gonna love it. All right, that's a wrap. Enjoy this video of me being a know-it-all and teaching people the ending dance in the show.